Okay, I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what it's like to develop in the using the Looker extension framework and developing the Explorer Assistant. So let's start in Looker. So in Looker, I have a special application here called Looker Explorer Assistant Dev. So let's go look at the project and let's go see how this is set up. So if I go to develop and I go to demo and I go to our manifest, you will see that there is a special item in here for the Explorer Assistant dev. And you can see that what it's doing is it's trying to get the bundle, which is really the code base, from the local host. So I'm going to have to run that in a second to actually get this thing to work. The second thing that you'll notice is that I'm specifically giving the Explorer Assistant Dev the permission to hit this Cloud Function API endpoint, which is secured in the code using the auth token. So with these setups, with this setup here in the manifest, I should be able to come here and to get to this. Well, nothing's showing up, so let's go ahead and get our local development environment working. So if I go to Explorer Assistant extension, this is the folder that has all of the extension code in it. I can do npm install to make sure that I have all of the latest packages. And importantly here are the environment variables that I want the extension to use. So I want it to use this Vertex AI endpoint. This one is set up for development by me and can and I'm specifically tagging it to the e-commerce model and order items. And these are the environment variables on helping the extension framework app get the examples. And so what you'll see here is that there's a Vertex BigQuery Looker connection name called multi-turn. And so let me show you actually what that is here by going to admin and going to connections. And you'll see here that there's a connection. And this connection is to the project that contains the examples that are in BigQuery so that the Explorer Assistant can use those. So let's go back to this. So those are my environment variables. And I never remember the correct command to get the thing started. npm run start. So if I do npm run start, it's loading this JavaScript code base, and it is hosting the server at 8080. It's compiling the code here right now. It's loading all of those environment variables. So just with an npm install, npm run start, and correctly set environment variables, I'm going to come here, hit refresh, and see that there's a problem. Usually this problem means that you're having a certificate issue. So I'm going to go click on the bundle and go to advanced and say proceed to localhost. And indeed, this is correct. Now the bundle is getting loaded even though it's insecure. Not a big deal. This is for local development. And when I hit refresh, the Explorer Assistant loaded. And this is running the local, this is running sort of like my local version and hitting the endpoint for Vertex that was defined in here. So this is very useful. Like I can come back here to say the, let me go back to the home page. Sorry for all of the fun clicking. Great. So if I go back to the dev, say I want to change this code, powered by generate with Google and fun. So as I save the file, you'll notice that the server detected the change, automatically recompiled, and hot reloaded. So this means that it's actually very nice to develop. This is great for development. It's going to happen so fast. I hit save, and it's already there. So this is how we're able to develop quickly and get that set up. Hopefully this was useful.